Have you ever visited a place so beautiful that it felt like it was calling you to stay forever? Well, welcome to Siargao Islands. Atong lantawon guys, if tinood ba gyud ang Siargao curse.
Hi guys, we are going to
Siargao!
Our journey starts from Iligan City, so we hit the road and traveled 8 hours to Surigao City. And that is 2 hours from Iligan City to CDO and another 6 hours from CDO to Surigao Port. And we arrive at exactly 3 a.m.
Time check, it's already 4:30 and we are boarding for the PA.
Kabalo ba ko guys nga kami ray tawo diri guys. Hi guys, we exclusively booked this bar for the five. We booked this at Klook.
So wala kay mikatarong tulog guys sa agi sa katugnaw, but look at this view and we are almost there. So hapit na mi mabot sa Siargao. And the very first thing that we did when we landed is we went for a grocery and market. So nagbuy kami og mga goods na we will be needing for the week. Finally, let's check out our home for the week. We rented out this place with 3 spacious bedroom. Moni ang bedroom nilang Agnes and Vince. They have their own shower. And this is our bedroom. We'll be staying here. We also have our own shower. And ang nakanindot yun diri guys, hot and cold ang ilahang shower. And for the third room, this is for Zeus. Solely for Zeus. Iyahari gini dari guys. But unfortunately, wala siya own CR. However, naay isa ka extra CR sa my kitchen namo. Nag-freshen up lang me a little bit guys and we went out to see the world and to buy sa ilahang mga fruits. Medyo expensive gid ang ilahang fruits danhi guys compared sa Iligan City. And also nagpa-book sad me for our island hopping trip for tomorrow and this is their itinerary. Then we went home and spent the night with Scrabble and karaoke and that is our day 1 in a wrap. We are now on our day 2 and we're so excited to spend our day Namak Island hopping. Our first stop is a small island called Guyang Island. And they claim to have the best burger kuno sa tibuok islas.
Guys, we are here at Guyang Island. Second day at Siargao, bila namin guys. What can you say about the burger?
The burger is
Burgery?
and
You must try their secret burger.
so problema ani nila guys, basta ilang mga sayan. So mag-ubad-ira na po sila.
After an hour, nagbalik na migsaka sa amuang boat for our second stop. Then they drop us in the middle of the sea
Hi,
for
guys.
snorkeling session.
Hi guys! Snorkeling world! Anong naman sa taas ni pero naka-life jacket?
Yan ang pinaka-favorite namo ang Naked Island tungod crystal clear kaayo ang ilahang dagat. It's finally our last stop and we are in Daku Island. And ang amuang Budol Fight is inclusion na siya sa amuang tour package na giabel. The whole island hopping trip was a blast and we're so excited to head home.
Hi guys! Tapos na po ang first activity of day 2.
Day 2 is worth the wait.
Congratulations to Agnes. Kay siya ang nag-lead of prayer sa Budol Fight.
We then went to Afam Bridge to enjoy the sunset and para makatilaw sa ilahang mga lamian nga street food at a very affordable price.
Suspect! Pasakay ko lang! Dalawa ko siya.
And that's our day 2 in a wrap.
Hi guys! So it's our day 3 and
We went up north para bisitahon ang mga famous na tourist destinations di Ari. One is the Coconut View Deck. Dagan kaayo gaatan dito ng mga lokal para mo-offer og human drone nga mga pictures and shots. We also visited the famous Little Hawaii and this spot is grabe ka nice pang picture perfect yun ni Dari nga spot. We were just having a great time and suddenly na ay mga na-stock ng mga foreigners.
do you need help?
Grabe dyan sa Agnes May. Maapin dyan ka bang bay?
The foreigners are stuck, so they offered to help.
Wow, Vicente.
Wow.
Vicente.
Pakpaka na to si Vicente.
Kala ko na break. Wala, it's okay.
You know guys, that we discovered the secret island here in Siargao. Yes, you heard it right. Here, look.
Look here.
Wow!
Bakit may po kung gagawin?
Alo, nindot! Alo! Ano ang uwi?
Wow! Just a random place.
Chat! Uy! Dagan po, dagan! What?
Then we went to Pacifico para i-try ang ilahang local resto nga ana sila nga lami jud daw ang ilahang food. And aside sa lami na food guys, naapod sila beach sa ubos na pwede kaayo mo mag-swimming and bayad lang mo og 10 pesos for entrance fee. While we are on our way home namin gihapit na place.
Hi guys, we're on a Pangungawan. A total of 55. Guys! 55 crocodile was released here. Diyan na, Dri. Nanirado na sila. We're heading to dinner. Asa man inyong gusto nga mag-dinner mi guys? Just comment below.
I want some.
Pero makakaon na mi before ninyo na makita.
And namalik namin sa Centro guys and we had our dinner in a very delicious Thai restaurant ari sa Tourism Road and that is our day 3 in a wrap.
Yeah. The very first day we stepped here in Siargao, it already felt like it's my birthday.
It's our day 4 and one of the very reason why we are here in Siargao is to celebrate my 28th birthday. And guys, isa sa ginalook forward na paano nga adlaw kay it's our surfing day! Right after our breakfast, we went to Cloud9 and kita mo sa kong dagway guys. At kay ko guys, kay nganong dili pink ang gihatag sa kuang nga board. Kay gusto jud ko mahimong Barbie in a mermaid tail guys.
Hi! Look who's gonna try first surfing.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday! You're gonna channel your inner Moana. Asaan mo ang mga instructor guys?
At this point, nag-practice na me before mo actual go into surfing. Kita mo na guys sa yun na kayo mag-practice.
Hi guys! So we just had the surfing session. Kumusta naman? It's worth it? Okay, bayaran na, bayaran.
So it cost us 700 pesos para sa surfing and talent fee ni Kuya nga tig-picture. Wala pa jud na human ang mga person. So nakulangan mi sa amo surfing. We decided na muadto sad mi sa Santa Fe. Kay anak sila na po daw nindot na spot dadto para magligo and mag-surf and that is the Ocean 9.
To be honest, grabe ka challenging ang dalan padulong dadto, but the destination is really good and we just have to pay 100 pesos for the entrance fee.
So we decided again to rent a surfboard without instructor. After swimming, we went home to freshen up and mag-prepare para sa birthday dinner nga dator gihapon namo i-held sa Cloud9.
My heart is very happy because nakaapas gid mi sa sunset sa Cloud9. Although dili mo justify sa picture, but in reality, grabe kanindot ana nga time.
After that, nagdayon mi sa Loca, which is naragyapon siya sulod sa Cloud9.
So sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan?
That you can dine with us.
The birthday girl.
I'm very happy. I think I'm the best surfer in the Ligan City.
What can you say about the trip so far?
Best vacation ever.
Oh, best vacation ever.
Yeah, best vacation.
All thanks to Zeus Travel and Tours, everyone. Just drop your link below.
And that is day 4 in a wrap! Finally guys, this is our day 5 in Siargao and tomorrow, unfortunately, we will be traveling back sa Iligan City. But we made sure na masulit gihapon namo ang amo ang remaining hours the ari sa Siargao Island. Our first stop for today is the Secret Beach na ana sila mao daw ni ang favorite hangout place ni Nadine Lustre. Unfortunately, wala naman siya nakitan but this place is truly a must visit. After spending time diadto ning Gawasami for our second destination, we are now at Romantic Beach Villa. And gituyo jud na mag-adto danhi guys because our husbands wanted to play billiard. So, they have 500 pesos entrance fee and that is consumable for food na siya. At the same time, maka-access na mo sa ilahang billiard and sa ilahang swimming pool. Not to mention guys, ang ilahang staff, they're very friendly and accommodating, like 10 over 10. So we just enjoyed the place and we waited until sunset because ang sunset during a spot is very amazing. So isa ni siya sa mga hideout na gusto kag chill or gusto lang ka magpahangin for the go na mo dianhi. Then we went out to check souvenir shops dan here po sa Tourism Road para makapalit namin sa mga pasalubong and mga souvenirs for our friends and loved ones in Iligan City.
Manong naglingkod naman gikapoy na una siya.
And kini guys, sa mga mahilig mag nightlife, this is the view of Siargao every night. Grabe gid ka bibo and ang ilahang mga streets are really full of people. And it's very lively, daghan kaayo og ganap every night. Unfortunately, my friends and I were not able to spend a lot of time kada gabi sa gawas because lately nagaulan gid siya. And it's okay, I think mao na siya ang pamaagi ni Lord para dili may mag nightlife sa akong mga friends. And since this is the last night that we'll be spending here in Siargao, I would like to answer the question sa first na ko na video. The question was, tinod ba ang Siargao first? Well, our answer is, wala pa mi kabalo guys. So, we'll try pa mi og balik tanhi. So, this definitely is not a goodbye. This is just a see you again. And that's it for our Siargao trip in a week.